So finally, the CMF by Nothing has officially confirmed some specs of the phone 1. If the rumor price is correct, it will be surprising. The CMF has posted a blur photo of the phone's components with specs and also announced that the launch is just a few days away, and this is how it looks unblurred. And some marketing material has also leaked confirming some rumors. First of all, the company has officially confirmed that the CMF Phone 1 will have a 6.67 inches Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, mentioning that it has a vibrant and lifelike colors with HDR10+ support and clear visibility in any lights with 2000 nits peak brightness. Looking at the specs, this phone is going to compete with some big brands in the budget range, including its own parent company's Nothing Phone 2A. This phone is going to be interesting because, as I said, it's going to compete in the budget segment with some good specs similar to what Nothing did with their first phone 1. The CMF Phone 1 is rumored to come with a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 CPU similar to the Nothing Phone 2A. Unfortunately, the CMF Phone 1 will not have a glyph interface even though it is a sub-brand of Nothing. CMF is not allowed to use the glyph interface in their smartphones, so they have come with a new idea which is both new and weird at the same time. The CMF Phone 1 features a rounded volume knob on the bottom right side for easy volume control. It's a fun and unique way to catch people's eye. And guess what? This isn't the first time they have used this cool feature. Check out their newly launched earbuds, they have similar volume knob too. Now, regarding the price of the phone, we have received some information. According to the leak, the CMF Phone 1 will have a price of $239 for the 6GB and 128GB model. This price seems reasonable considering what the phone offers. With additional discounts and offers, the CMF Phone 1 is a great choice in that price range. The CMF Phone 1 also comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 33-watt charging support, running Nothing OS 2.6 on Android 14 like the Phone 2A. Overall, the CMF Phone 1 looks good on paper, and we hope to see similar specs and performance in the real life. So what do you think of the CMF Phone 1? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.